Hi, this is midwife Nell Tharpe. I'm here to do workshops and videos on suturing skills, knot tying, and perineal repair. My goal is to improve the skills of midwives and outcomes for the clients that we serve. My background is as a maternity nurse, a nurse midwife, attending births and home birth center, small hospital, and tertiary care centers across the years, and as an educator and author. I came to this work because of a love for birth, but in my small community, there was a need for an assistant in the operating room. So I refined my skills in the operating room, assisting primarily with general surgery as well as OBGYN surgery and a little bit of orthopedics. So I bring the knowledge that I developed in the operating room to my midwifery practice, and I'm here to share the tips and pearls that I learned with you. Some of them come from people who've come to my workshops. So I am a lifelong learner, and I love to learn from every midwife that I ever encounter. If you have questions, if you have suggestions, if you have a new technique you'd love us to hear about, please reach out, email midwifeworkshops@gmail.com, and subscribe to our channel so that you can get notifications of the new videos that we make. Okay, so on to making some more videos right now, and I look forward to hearing from you.